Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add a blurred lens transitions in CapCut. So here what you need to do is just add your clips to CapCut and then click on a transition box in between the clips. Then click on the blur tab, and then here you can see there's a lens blur option. So just click on that transition and adjust on how long you want the lens blur transition to last. I'm going to go with 0.7 seconds and I'm going to apply to all. Then click on a check icon. And after that you are done. The transition has been applied to all of your clips and you can just preview it to see the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!